Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you.
It's the amazing thing that's ever happened. So Mrs. Oak's like, hey, Underoos!
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your
I'll do whatever I want to do.
I want to be heard.
Planning on telling me? I'm sorry for everything.
My wounded wings still
You need to
beating.
win our trust back.
You've always loved the strange
I used to have nothing, and then I got this.
Me ugly pretty. Oh, little ghost, you see the pain, but together we can make something beautiful. So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty.
You are my life.
Do what you're told!
We broke up.
I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside.